First Impression Cleaning Service has provided top-quality condo cleaning on the Florida Gulf Coast for over a decade. If you're looking for a job and can pass a background check, we just might have a position for you. Applicants must be 18 years of age, have transportation, and have an attention to detail. Our clients demand the best, and that's what we provide. So if you're a hard worker and want to be part of our winning team, give us a call, 850-625-5143. We pay by the unit, and our seasonal help can make great wages between Memorial Day and Labor Day. But if you want to work year-round, it's possible to make up to $30,000 a year. They say that you only have one chance to make a great first impression. So that's what we do, and that's what we're looking for. First Impression Cleaning Service. Give us a call, 850-625-5143, and start earning a great living today.